The Enbon R5 series has always been an evergreen product. In the Enbon Rental series, it has two options, straight line and curve, to meet the needs of different customers, like other Enbon rental products. R5 series takes humanization as the design key to maximize customer experience. The scientific modeling design allows customers to easily complete the installation work with one hand, and the lightweight cabinet also makes daily use and maintenance more convenient. On the other hand, the design of integrated power supply and double quick lock can save customers more precious time while giving. The R5 series display effect is also excellent, which can ensure that users have a good audio-visual experience both indoors and outdoors.